Hello viewers, Flipkart has announced that its 2025 Freedom Sale will go on live on 1st August 2025 for the Plus members and VIP members. If you have ICICI credit card or Bank of Baroda credit card, in that case you will get 12% instant discount. There will be huge discounts on tablets also, but before buying any tablet you must have knowledge about the best price of each and every tablet so that you don't get fooled by the sellers. I have made many videos regarding the best price of each and every tablet. So buy tablet only if you get your desired price point. Otherwise you should wait for another sale. Under the price bracket from 10 to 20,000 rupees, there are many newly launched tablets such as Redmi Pad 2. The price of Redmi Pad 2 will be around 13.5k. Similarly, Oneplus will launch Oneplus Pad Lite. This device will be priced at 12,999 rupees. This tablet has average specs such as it comes with Helio G100 processor, 11-inch display, quad speakers and some other features. I will buy this tablet and give you a review about this tablet. So if you are planning to buy this tablet, wait for the review video. Next, there is Realme Pad 2 Lite. Many people actually want to know the best price of this tablet. If you want to buy Realme Pad 2 Lite, in that case the best price is 11,000 rupees. It may be that you will not get 11,000 price point in Freedom Sale, so you have to wait till BBD sale. Now if you want to buy OnePlus Pad Go, in that case currently a offer is running on flipkart.com. You can buy the 128GB with 8GB RAM variant at 13,859 rupees. However, the best price for this tablet is 13,000 rupees. So if you want to wait for 13,000 price point, you should wait. Also, there will be offer on Poco Pad 5G. The best price for Poco Pad 5G is around 18,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price is maximum 20,000 rupees. Many people are curious to know the price of Xiaomi Pad 7. If you want to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price for Xiaomi Pad 7 will be around 22 to 23,000 rupees. But if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 26,000 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case the best price for the 128GB variant is around 30,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB, in that case the best price would be 33,000 rupees. If you want to buy the iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi variant, the best price would be around 21 to 22,000 rupees, and if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB variant, in that case the best price should be around 27 to 28,000 rupees. So these are the best prices of some of the tablets that you can buy during Freedom Sale. Don't buy any tablet above these price points. Want to know the best price of any other tablet, like this video and ask your questions in the comment sections below. I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.